Yes, turn on. And let me share my screen again. Okay, the recording is on, guys. Basically, today I'm going to show you one hack. Let me just close the chat box. How PPT class will be enabling all functions. Yes, it's applicable to both the users, Macs and Window. Now, Hardik, what's the agenda for today, guys? I've found one hack which is already covered in the course, by the way. But I was trying to cover this in a live session because it can help you to create stunning presentation when it comes to opening slides. When I say opening slides, it can be a welcome slide, it can be agenda slide. Basically, the first slide which is typically going to decide your impression on your audience, and that's very much important, right? So this is a simply hack, guys. Actually, it's not available in a PowerPoint version, any PowerPoint version, but there is a hack to do it. So I'm going to show you that hack, and trust me, guys, able you will be able to make this kind of a presentation. See this, I'm going to show you my presentation. See my hands. This kind of opening slides you can create in your corporate PPTs or any kind of PPTs that you make, which can grab your audience attention. This is the first slide. I'm going to show you two times. This is the second slide. Do you guys think it's cool? It has grabbed your attention? Let me know your thoughts in the chat box. And then I will start teaching you this from scratch. Is it cool? Wow, awesome. Yes, so cool. Very cool, perfect, superb, awesome, awesome, awesome. Chalo, yes, cool, really cool. Yes, 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 perfect. Now, guys, couple of things you need to know. I just want to close the chat box. Okay, thank you so much, everyone, sending cool and all of that. Now, chalo. Hardik, I want simple slides, Excel data, and PowerPoint. That's covered in the course, Monica. Now, let me show you how to make this. So, in this, you just required one simple thing. Hardik, what's that? Video. Now I know you might be like, Hardik, we have our own company videos. Can we use that? Absolutely, yes. But if you're finding this kind of videos and you're thinking that, Hardik, where I can find this kind of videos for absolutely free of cost, which does not attract any copyright or plagiarism, none of those issues. So you can simply go to this particular website, which I want to show you right now. This website is called as pixel.com. For safer side, I'm sharing the link in the Zoom chat. If you're someone who's going to watch the recording later, or you're someone who's watching the recording, you can simply search in your Google bar because you cannot see the Zoom chat going on right now. So it is called as pixel.com. You can simply, the default will be the photos. You simply have to change it to videos. You have to create one Google account, obviously. And after that, you can search for anything. I've searched for Splash and see this kind of video. I've got HD video for completely free of cost. Hardik, how do I download it? There is a download button. Click on the download button and the video will get downloaded in your system. If you want to save it somewhere, you can save it, or you can simply click on save to get it downloaded in your system. Now here is what I've did. I've already downloaded this two videos and I've created this two slides, and I'm going to share this PPT also. So don't worry, relax, chillax. This PPT will be sent to you in the WhatsApp group that you're a part of, in the same group where you have received this particular link to join in this particular meeting. Now, so far we have seen how we can download this video. Now, if I come to a very new presentation, let me remove everything. Just two videos. This two videos are blank presentation. As you can see, this is the final deck which I will be sharing with everyone. Chill, no worries about that. But now, Hardik, once we have video, this might be a professional video, this might be a company ka opening ceremony ka video, any kind of video that you might be having in PowerPoint, how to make those kind of slides. Now, one more thing which I forgot to tell you is, Hardik, if I download the video, how I can put any video in PowerPoint? Guys, it's very simple. You just have to drag and drop, or you can go to insert. You can click on videos, this wala slide, and you can insert any videos from this particular device or online videos, any sort of videos. But that's not a big deal. The big deal is how to make this kind of presentation. So now I'm starting with the actual assignment. The flow of today's session will be very clear. It will be very simple, guys. I will do one step and I will tell you, have you guys got it? You will say yes or no in the Zoom chat. Then only I will proceed to the next step. So it's very simple. It will just require 5 to 7 steps to complete this. And one more heads up, guys, in today's session, we are also going to cover animations, because I've got a lot of requests from many people that, Hardik, I want to learn animation. So I'm going to teach you animations also with along with this particular exercise. Okay. Now let's get started. So we have videos. Now step number one is super simple, guys. You have one video on your screen, right? What you have to do is, step number one is very simple. You just have to select the video and press Ctrl D to duplicate the slide. Now, no worries, guys. Do not, all the late joiners, I can see 30 people have late joiners. You don't have practice material. I will share it later along with the recordings of this video. So you can practice at your own pace. Now, once you create a duplicate video, you will have two videos. Now, this is one of the most underrated tool or function in PowerPoint that many people do not use. It is called as selection pane. As you can see here, now this selection pane I've added purposefully in my quick access toolbar because I use it very often when I make presentations. But I know many people might be like, Hardik, I don't see a selection pane. How do I access it? So you need to go to your home tab. In your home tab, you will get something called as select. In that, you will get the selection pane. So it's very simple. Simply click on selection pane. Now, guys, we had video one, right? This is our video one, which is at the bottom. This is our video one, which is a duplicate copy, and still it is showing as video one name, right? So we need to change the name. So what we'll do is we'll simply select the video. We'll double click on this, and I will change the name from video one to video two. Hardik, why we have done that? Right now, you won't understand that. As we proceed with this example, you will come to know that why we have intentionally changed the name from video 1 to video 2. So now we have two videos, video 1 and video 2. Just a quick recap, if someone has missed on selection pane, it's available in your home tab. Select selection pane. Or worst case scenario, if someone who's like, Hardik, don't have the same version just like you, simply come to the search bar and search for selection pane. See this, I'm going to search for select. Just a sec. My keyboard is not working. I think selection. See the selection pane. If you will search for this, simply search for that and you will find the selection option. I don't know why it's not getting selection pane in naam hai na. Selection, yeah. Or the worst case scenario, you can go to this particular button and selection pane. And how to add it in your quick access toolbar. We are going to see this going further in this project. So far, so good. Everyone, is that a yes? We have not done anything rocket science or outside the box stuff. Yes, Deepak is saying yes. Chalo, Diva is saying yes. Ami, Shushma, chalo, Divya, everyone. Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. Yes, fine, fine. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chalo, that's great. Now, closing the chat. This was not a big deal. I know it's very simple. The next thing is again one more simple step, and the third step would be something which would be the outside the box. So now, Hardik, what's the second step? Second step is whatever you want to put on the screen as a text. So in my original video, in my original project, I've shown you I've put something called as go. So I'm going to use the same text, but the process remains the same. I know some of you might be would like to put their company name, let's say JP Morgan or whatever the case, wherever you're working in, or whatever your agenda or topic for your presentation is, right? So what we'll do is I will go to insert tab. I will click on insert text box and I will just insert a text box by the letter go. I'm repeating again, there is no specific template that you just have to write 2 letters, 3 letters, does not matter. You can write whatever you want. If you want to write, so let's say someone's name is Balakrishna, Manisha, Junaid, whatever the name is, you can write your own name as well. There is no specific size or predefined template that you have to use. Now I'm going to select this text box and I want to change the font to Montserrat. Now, Hardik, why you're changing font to Montserrat Black? Because guys, that's a very thick font. So we'll be able to see it clearly. So I'm going to select Montserrat Black and I'm going to increase the size drastically. I want to make it, let's say 320. Hardik, are you sure? Yes, I am pretty much sure because I want to cover majority of the middle or center part of the slide with the text box. So it grabs the attention of our audience, because the moment anyone is going to see the slideshow, the moment anyone is going to watch our presentation, the obvious thing they are going to do is they are going to look at the middle of the screen, right? And our text should be properly placed in the middle of the slide so they can watch it clearly. Now I'm going with 320. I can go up to, let's say 350. I think so. 350 is again fine. We can go more also if you wish to. I will stop at 350. Now, again, this was the very simplest step. We have did nothing fancy, no outside the box. Third step. Now, listen to me very carefully. This is the step. This is a kind of a hack which you can use to make some presentations which your colleague or your bosses might not know how to do it. Now, guys, if you have gone through the course or if you have attended any of the live sessions, if you have attended the PowerPoint ka workshop, you would have known there is something called as merge shapes. But I know again, there will be many categories of people here who are like, Hardik, what the hell is merge shape? So I'm going to take 1 second of your time to just to explain you what is merge shape, because that's the ultimate part of this project. Now, guys, let's say I'm going to insert a picture first. Let's say I'm going to insert a picture. Let's say, can I insert a screenshot? No, I think so. I can. I do have an image bank. Let me just check. Here, image bank. And let's say I have this beautiful image. I'm going to make it full picture. Now, guys, merge shape, what basically means, if I add any shape on top of this, let's say I'm going to add a triangle. Let's say I'm adding a triangle. Now, these are the two elements. Two elements are on the screen. Please watch very carefully. Be able to repeat the steps since the recording is on. So watch it very carefully. Now, there are two things, very easy. One is image, one is shape. Nothing fancy, right? Now, what I want is, my purpose is I want to put the image inside this shape. Basically, I want to merge them. That's the original meaning of merge shape. So there are two shapes on the screen. There are two elements on the screen. I want to merge them. So Hardik, how does this happen? So what happens, guys, whenever you select a picture and you press control and you select a shape, you get two things above. Obviously, one is picture because there is a picture in it. And one is there is a shape format because there is a shape in it. So once you do this two things, guys, what happens now? You have to go to shape format. You have to click on merge shape and you can do many things. We are going to play with intersect. The moment you come in intersect, guys, this is how the final output will look like. So just a quick recap. We had two things. One is picture, one is shape. The moment you select picture first, then you press control and select shape, you get two things on your screen: shape format, picture format. And in shape format, you will find something called as merge shape. The moment you click on intersect, you will get that cutout which you wanted to get. This is the merge shape option functionality for you. Itna samjha, have you understood the merge shape? Because that's the crux part of today's project. Is that a yes? Cool, easy, nothing fancy. Yes, superb. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, 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 yes. Almost everyone. Yes, 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 yes. Chalo. We have done this before. Yes. Yes. Understood merge shape. Still can't find selection pane. Ragya Singh, I will help you. Don't worry. Chalo. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. Gomati, you are the only one who's saying one more time. Uh, yes, Nidhi, you have missed a lot, but don't worry, chalo. It feels like deja vu. Now I'm closing the chat box. All the people see this. It was nothing fancy. We had two things on our screen. See this. I'm just going to do a undo. We had two things on our screen. One we had image, one we had shape. We selected both the elements. We got to shape format and we selected merge shape. Okay, this is what we have done. And this is the original. This is the actual way to use merge shape. Nothing fancy. Select two things, go to shape format and select whatever you want to do. Like you want to combine them, you want to fragment it, you want to like subtract it, intersect. And by the way, this same example is covered in the course as well. That's the reason some people knew it already. Now, what we have to do is we have to come to this particular part, and the moment I try to do same thing, see what will happen. Just watch my screen carefully. So we had one video, right? This time there is not an image. There is not an image. There is a video. There is a difference, right? I've selected the video and then I'm pressing control and I'm selecting go. Now, guys, this is kind of a glitch or this is a kind of a error in a PowerPoint software. The moment you select a text box and the moment you select a video, the moment you select both of them simultaneously, you will see there is an error. Can you see this? You don't find anything. And this is applicable on every version of PowerPoint, 2013, 17, 16, whatever you're using. Once you're watching the recording and once you're trying to see this, you'll find this error. Now, video I've selected. If I just select the video, guys, I will get video format. If I just select the shape, this particular, kya bolte, this particular text box, I get shape format, I get merge shapes, obviously. But if I go with the original logic of PowerPoint and the moment I select this and this, boom, there is an error. You're not finding anything. So now in this case, what you can do? In this case, what you can do, there is an error in PowerPoint. You cannot do anything about it, right? So we cannot make such slides, Hardik? No. There is a secret way to do it. Like 99, I can give you in writing, 99% of the crowd does not know about it. What you can do is you can add merge shape functionality in your quick access toolbar. Now see this, the moment I select this I'm going to click on intersect and my job is done. Now you might be thinking, Hardik, how the hell, if you select this and this, can you merge them? See this, I can merge them. The moment I select this here, the thing is ready. You just have to give some formatting issues, which we are going to do. But the crux part here is, Hardik, how did you got merge shapes in your PowerPoint where you're saying that there is a glitch, there is a bug where we cannot see it? So how to get this? Now I'm repeating the most crucial part. Please watch my screen. Do not miss out on this. I'm going to go very slowly. So guys, we all, in irrespective of our PowerPoint version, we all have something called as file format. Like that's the default thing, right? In file format, we have something called as options. Every version, every PowerPoint software has this. The moment you click on options, guys, by default, there will be a pop-up box opening in front of your screen, which is nothing but you can sort of call it as a settings in PowerPoint, just like you have settings for WhatsApp, Instagram, right? This is settings of PowerPoint software. Now here guys, there is something called as quick access toolbar. Now depending on different versions of PowerPoint, you have different placements for quick access toolbar. I'm pretty much sure if you're joining through your laptop and if you're someone like who is opening your PowerPoint, you would see, some of you might see quick access toolbar at this particular side, which is top left. Some of you might see just like me. So it does not matter. The functionality remains the same. Now, my point here is, once you click quick access toolbar, you can come to popular commands and you can select all commands. The default is popular commands. I repeat, it's something called as quick access toolbar, QAT. It's again covered in the course. You go to popular commands, you go to all commands. In all commands, you have to search, you have to manually scroll down and you have to search for something called as merge shape. And the best part is, guys, it is placed in alphabetical order. So all the first things are regarding A, then there is B, then there is C, then there is D, then there is E, I. You just have to come to M. The moment M starts, LM. See this. Here we are going to search for something called as merge shapes, and here we have got it. The moment you find merge shapes, you have to select this and you have to click on add. The moment you click on add, see this, I'm going to click on add, guys. It's already there. You already have add this. So you won't get this kind of pop-up. In your case, it will come from year to year. Okay. In this merge shape options, guys, you simply have to select, after you have added it, you just simply have to select OK. The moment you select OK, you will also see merge shapes. I use different functionalities, guys. I use different kinds of things. I use switch windows and many things. It depends on your use case. Once you go on and make advanced presentations on a daily basis, you would also require this functionality. But quick access toolbar is one of the secret hacks that you should be aware of if you're a PowerPoint user. Now see the magic. I will simply, one more thing which we forgot to do is, guys, after renaming the video, we have to flip it horizontally. Hardik, why? Then only there would be difference, right? So I'm going to go to video format and I'm going to flip it horizontally. Now I will select the video. I will select the text box. I will go to merge shape and I will intersect and see this. We have got the video, which you can play also. It's a text box plus a video, combination of both of them. You can play also. Now how to play with animations, transitions, will come to that. But have you got this? Have you got this? Have you got the secret hack? Have you understood how there is a software glitch in PowerPoint and how to overcome that? Is that a yes? Let me know in the chat box, everyone. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Superb, 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 superb. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's cool and awesome. I'm not getting the option. I will help you. Chalo, okay? Yes, but we have to work, obviously. Chalo, ठीक है. Raga Singh theoretical, yes, yes, you don't want. ठीक है, yes, fine, yes, fine, yes, fine, we have got it. चलो, ठीक है. Got doubt, I will clear your doubt, no worries. ठीक है. Perfect. चलो, yes, yes, yes. I'm closing the chat box. Now, 2-3 people asking to repeat the whole process. Please wait after the session. I will help you out. No worries in that. 2-3 people asking me how to flip it. I will show you that as well. Apart from that, anyone who's telling me to repeat the whole process, please, I would request you to go through the whole process. I'm happy to clear your doubts. No worries in that. Now, Hardik, how to flip it? I will just undo the process. I will explain you flipping again because I think that was too fast. See this, select the video, you get something called as video format. Very like the fundamentals of PowerPoint, picture format, video format, so on and so forth. The moment you select for video format, by default, you will get flip. You have to flip it horizontally, the fourth option. You have to do that in order to find differentiation. So there are two videos, like there are two identical same videos. So you need to understand the difference between the both. That's the reason we are flipping the video. There is no other reason apart from that. And I thought one person was asking, I think, what's the glitch? The glitch is when you use a text box in a video, by default, you won't get both the options on top of this. If I just want to prove my point, see this, I'm going to select the video and text box. You are not getting anything here. But the moment you try it with an image and a shape, you get both the options. So this is the glitch in PowerPoint software. Now, coming back to our original thing, once we have flipped the video, we have to select the video. We have to select the text box. Once you select both the things, we'll go to merge shape and we are going to use intersect feature. Now, guys, after this, a little bit of now advanced PowerPoint is going to start. So please maintain your high focus levels, because now we are going to play with animations. Why, Hardik? Because see this, if I just now, guys, this is not the final output. If I show you the slideshow, see this, see my hands. Can you see there is a problem? The moment I do slideshow view, the image is not moving, and plus it's not that visible. The background is moving on its own. There are so many wrongs in the slide, right? We need to fix those things. So let's start one by one. First is we cannot see this properly. So for that, we have to select this and we'll get a video format. In video format, again, this is like basics of PowerPoint. We are going to play with video effects. We are going to give it some shadow effect. So this is now quite visible compared to the previous one. Can you see this? Now it's visible compared to the previous one, and we can see a glow effect. You can add some glow effect. You can add some blur effect. You can add some borders. Like, it's completely your call. It depends on the video. It depends on your presentation. If you want to show me one more thing, here is video. You can play with multiple things here. You can play with glow also. You can give it some kind of a glow to make it more differentiate from the background or the background video. Or one more, the simplest thing which you can do is apply a border. Now see this, the border is the best way to go, guys. It will give you clear differentiation between the both. But I personally don't recommend border, because if you want to differentiate so much, then why you're putting one more video, right? That's the logic here. So, but still, if people want to go for it, no worries, you can go with. Now, what's one problem is resolved. We can clearly see it. Hardik, what we have did, we have just selected the text box. Actually, it's a video now inside a text. So we have gone to video format. We played with video borders, and we have played with video for effects. Like, you can give multiple effects. Now, one more thing which we need to fix now is the moment, let's say I'm sending this PPT to my manager, or I'm going to present this PPT in front of managers, colleagues, or bosses, whatever the case is. The moment I do slideshow, the background is going to play on its own by default. And here I have to click on this button to make sure the video is playing inside also. So I cannot do this kind of a stuff in a, let's say, conference meeting, or I cannot do this kind of a thing when I'm presenting a particular PPT, right? So this should be happening automatically. Now this can happen via animations. Now animation is something which I haven't touched upon in my live sessions. So let me explain you animation in very detail. Now, guys, there are two fundamental things which you need to get clear in your head. One is animations, one is transitions. Animations, like in a very layman language, animations happens within the slide, and transition happen between two slides. That's the reason it's called as transition. You're transitioning from one slide to second slide. That's the reason those are applied on slides. But animations can be applied within the slide. Within the slide, you cannot apply transitions. Transitions need two slides, but animations can be applied on single slide. Now, you also know, you are a PowerPoint user. There are a bunch of animations, and the majority of people do not use animations because they don't know how to play with animation pane. Now, Hardik, what's animation pane, guys? If I just have to show you, just like selection pane, which we saw today, there is something called as animation pane as well. Don't worry how to use it. We are going to see it. So let's get started with this particular thing, which is called as animation. Now, Hardik, what's the problem? The problem is the moment I do slideshow, this video is running automatically, and this video is not moving at all. Like, it's not playing at all. So the problem is this is not playing. So what will be the solution? The solution is it should be playing automatically. Now, how to fix that? You have to select that. Obviously, whenever you have to apply animations, you have to select the object first. That's the golden rule. I'm selecting this object. Now I will go to animation. Now, as you can see, guys, you have bunch of animations. You have different categories. You have media, you have entrance, you have emphasis, you have exit animations, you have motion paths. Motion paths nowadays, not many people uses because of the morph transition. Now, guys, see this. Here is the first solution. Identify the problem and you will get all the solutions once you know all the features and functionality. The problem was it was not playing automatically. So now how to fix it? Go to animation, apply, play animation on it. Now see it started playing. Now again we'll do slideshow view and see if it's working or if there is any other problem. If there is any other problem, I will provide more solutions. Now playing this, see this. If I play this, again there is a problem. Hardik, what's the problem? It's not happening on its own. If I even after applying animation, I need to click on arrow to make sure it's moving within its side. Now see this. The background video is stopped and this inner wala video is still playing. That's not at all going to create a wow impression among our audience. Now how to fix it? Now we have applied the animation, but still it's not working fine. The problem is both of them are not playing simultaneously. The problem is both of them are not playing simultaneously. Now the solution is in animation pane. Now watch my screen very carefully. I've selected this. Guys, to play with animations, you should be very good at looking at this numbers and identifying that. Now this number means this zero means this is zero. This will work without clicking on anything. This one means it requires one click of your mouse or keyboard. Keyboard pe arrow or mouse ka left click. So this one letter indicates one numerical alphabet indicates that it requires one click. Zero indicates it does not require any click. It will play automatically the moment you play slideshow view. So ideally, our solution is here. It should be also appearing as zero. Let a number numerical zero. So that means both of them will play automatically without any click. So this can be solved if you click on this. If you click on animations, there is something called as timing. Now here see, we have intentionally selected on click. Very self-explanatory, guys. On click means the moment you click, it will play. But I don't want that. I want it to be getting started with the previous one. The word previous is important. That means I will select this drop down button and I will select with previous. So technically it will become zero. Have you understood this logic? If I repeat again before you tell me to repeat, this one means it requires one click. Whenever you see number 2, that means it will come after 2 clicks. Whenever you see number 3, that means it will come after 3 clicks. But our problem is I don't have, I'm going to present in a conference meeting. I don't have time to click on it. I want it to play automatically. So that means I want to make sure that one becomes zero. So for that, you will select that thing. You will go to this timing wala section in animations only, and you will select with previous. And the moment you select with previous, see this, both of them are zero. And now let's check it out. Have we found the solution or not? Slideshow and see this. Without clicking anywhere, both of them are playing automatically simultaneously, giving us the best effect, which we can see in the video. Have you understood this explanation, guys? I think it was very pretty much simple. What do you guys think? Let me know. Have you found this simple solution? Simple explanation. Have you got it? Yes. Yes. That's awesome. Yes. Got it. So simple. Got it. Yes. Have you found the logic? Have you understood the logic? That's the crux part. Okay. Yes. 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 Appears easy. Yes. Yes. It's very easy. Don't worry. Can you explain again, Shirish? I'm going to cover more animations. You will get to know. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Clear, sir. Got the logic. Chalo. Yes. We'll practice. Yes. Sir, recording available. Ha. Recording chalu hai and it will be given to you along with practice material. So you can practice it. Okay. Yes. 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 Chalo. Yes. 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 Perfect. Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, I just want to hold it one more second. I want to just confirm it for your cohort batch. Have you all got an invitation for not mid, I think in the end of June or mid of June? I forgot the dates. In this 2 weeks, let me just check it one more time. I think I've shared the invitation with everyone. I've and arranged a program for you guys. If I just open it and see it, the dates, I want to just check the dates. Just a sec. Join group. Just a sec. Okay. I will just, I think my laptop is hanging. Let me just open my mobile phone and just getting started. Just a sec. Hmm. 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of June. Have everyone gotten access to your financial freedom accelerator, where I've invited people to help you with personal finances, how to like play in stock market, how to earn money from stock market, how to plan your finances, your child marriage fund, your retirement fund. Have everyone in this batch got the invitation for the same? Is that a yes or no? Let me know in the chat box. I've shared it basically with everyone. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, got it, got it. Okay, there are many people saying no also. There are many people saying yes also. Uh, yes, 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 no, yes, no. How it can happen? Many people are saying yes, many people are saying no. Okay, okay, yes, no, yes. So, Adi, can you show a image of it? Okay, just a sec, just a sec. I'm closing the chat box. I'm just a sec. Let me show you what I'm talking about, because I've shared the invitation with everyone. Let me just cross confirm it on your screen. Where is that invitation? I will just open that, just a sec. Guys, 2 minutes just, I'm telling this. So I'm talking about this event, guys, which is happening for you guys in third week of June for free of cost for masterclass students only. It's actually priced at 15,000. For you, it's free of cost, where you're going to get ultimate way to active and passive income create out of stock market, master personal finances, completely live, and all the things regarding personal finances. Whether you should buy a flat, rent it, whether you should select the mutual fund, which mutual fund to select, all of it. So have you got that invitation for this event? I'm talking about this. Is that a yes or no? Now let me know. I'm talking about this event, which is free of cost for masterclass people, by the way. You don't have to pay anything. Okay. Yes, 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 sir. I've got this. I've got this almost. Okay. It's like 50-50. Almost everyone has got it. Few people have not got it. Take it. I'm talking about the WhatsApp group. We have sent invitations in the WhatsApp group. ठीक no worries, no worries. I'm closing the chat box. I'm closing the chat box. I'm closing the chat box. Chill. I know there are many people like Hardik. मेरे को पता ही नहीं है. I'm not got it. Relax. It's happening in third week of June. In next Friday, almost next Friday, we are going to have a grand invitation call for our masterclass people to join this event. It will be happening in next Friday or Thursday. I will give you the dates in the WhatsApp group where you will get an invitation. So basically, I think many people have already got it, but I can see all there are many people also who are not aware of it. So basically, on invitation basis only for our masterclass students, it's an invite based event where you get to learn about stock markets, personal finances, mutual funds, house planning, financial planning, mother father ka fund, retirement fund, all the core aspects of life with respect to finance. It's a 3 day event which will be happening for you guys in the third week of June. So this is something we have planned already, and many people have got the invitation. But I like, guys, it's a technical world. Some people might not got it. Apologies for the same. That's the reason I came up with this particular thing in the middle of the session. So what I will do, we are creating one invitation call which will be happening in the next week for you guys. Next week or whenever the dates are, just stay tuned in the WhatsApp group. All the communications will happen in the WhatsApp group. Does it make sense? Is that a yes? I don't have the invite link right now, or I would have shared in the Zoom chat only. Is that a yes? Cool, makes sense. Have you got the clarity actual में what is happening for you guys when it's happening? Yes? ठीक है, yes, चलो, yes, waiting for the invite, will do it, no worries. ठीक है, yes, 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 yes. Not received, we will send it again, no worries. Is it for only advanced masterclass group people? Yes, only for advanced people only. ठीक है, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इनवाइट. ठीक है, वेटिंग फॉर इनवाइट, नो वरीज. भावना, एवरीवन विल गेट इट. ठीक है, मनीषा, प्रशांत, एवरीवन विल गेट इट. ठीक है, हार्दिक, बिग थैंक्स टू यू, यो, नो वरीज. चलो, ठीक है, कूल. Now, guys, can we continue with the project? I don't want to just talk about this. Last time I'm saying it's a third week of June mein ho raha hai for your cohort batch, all the people present in this meeting. Yes, one of, I think I forgot the name of Vivek or Varun. The person was asking, Hardik, can I invite my wife? That goes without saying. your wife, your family members are our family members. So don't worry about that. You can invite your family members in that. Hardik, invitation kidhar hai? I don't have it right now because I was not planning to send invite on a Zoom call. So I don't have it right now. I was having just the PPT slide, which I told in last two or three session. I have shown it already. So that's the reason 50% crowd already got the invite, 50% not got it. But don't worry. The only thing which you have to do is please make sure the third week of June is empty for you guys, because for your cohort batch, it's happening in June. For other cohort batches, it is going to happen after 45 days. So then you will have to wait for 45 days and you might have to like send us email and all of that stuff. So I don't want to have that thing happen for your cohort batch. Please come join in live. It's free of cost. Yes, your family members are always welcome. No worries in that. Once you get the invitation, you can pass on to them. But I humbly, sincere request, do not share it with external people like your colleagues, your bosses, because it's something where we are providing value for money. And for you guys, I'm availing this for free of cost. I expect the same trust back from you guys that you're not going to misuse it. You're not going to share it with people outside our Skill Nation community. Your family members are fine. I don't have any issues with that. Now, Hardik, when the invitation will be sent, it will be sent on your WhatsApp group. Don't worry, I will arrange a call specifically. So I just will make sure that no one is missing out. Now, guys, one thing that you have to do is please don't keep your WhatsApp groups on mute. Do not keep your WhatsApp groups in archive. You will miss on that. So if you want to join this event, please make sure you check your WhatsApp groups. I will create one specific invitation call for you guys to make sure to send you the invite for you and your family members. Now, this was a crux part. Please do not tell me to repeat anything about this. Let's continue with the project because we are running out of time. Is that a yes? Make sense? MS in the chat box. Make sense? Can we start with the lecture now? Okay, make sense? Everyone, mil jayega. Do not worry. I promise. It's my personal guarantee. Do not worry. No one is going to miss out on that. Okay? Yes, Hardik. Chalo. That's great. Perfect. Closing the chat box. How long this will be lectures with the invitation call me, I will tell you. Right now, let's focus on the learning because that's more important, right? Now coming back to our project, what we have did so far. Coming back to animations. Now, animations, we have got it. Now, many people were asking, Hardik, can we increase the font size? Hardik, can we apply more animations? Now, guys, this is going to become little bit complicated. So please stick with me. I will make sure I will make it more, I will make it more simpler for you. This is called as double animations, or adding one animation and adding one more on it. So now if we talk about this slide, we have already added one animation. Hardik, how do you know that? See this. If I go to slideshow view, guys, you can see this particular animation is automatically coming, right? So this we have already added it. But now let's say, Hardik, I want to, let's say this is something which is a very crux part for my event, this particular letter. It might be your company name, and you're presenting this presentation to stakeholders, to your clients, and you want to make that wow reaction. You want to get, you want that unexpected recognition, right? That's the motive. So what you can do is you can apply more animations. Now we are going to go into deep animation pane, how to apply more animation. Now guys, see this. Here you can see already a zero. That means one animation is there. Now let's say you want to add, let's say, flying animation. The moment you will select flying now, this previous wala will go away. This previous wala will go away. This previous one will go away. It will not exist. Then Hardik, what should I do? In this simple case, what you have to do, my friend, is you have to play with animation pane. Hardik, how to do that? Just watch my screen carefully. The recording is on. Chill, relax. Animation, I will go to add animations. In this add animations, guys, now let's say I want to go with this animation, which is grow and shrink. It's a very good animation to create wow effect. I will show it to you. Now see this. What I'm doing, I'm not selecting any of these animations because it will replace it. The motive here is, the agenda here is to add one more animation just to make sure our audience is hooked. So for that, I will go to add animation, and let's say I will go with this option, which is grow and shrink. You will get to know what it is. Now see this. I will click on this. Now, can you see this? This is how it will create an effect. Now, guys, see the problem again. Coming back to our original logic. This is 0, and this is 1. That means the moment you click on it, it will start to grow. But again, guys, in conference meetings and all of that, we don't have time to like stop and click here and there. It will not create that wow impression. So again, what we'll do, guys, is we'll go to animation pane, and this is the animation. See this animation pane is right within the animation only. And here we are going to select this, which is 1. If you select this, it will go to 0. If you select this, it will go to this 0. The moment you come on this one, I will again go with this button, which is on click, and I will select with previous. So now all the three things does not require any clicks. There is no one, all are zeros. Now guys, see this. I'm going to go to slideshow view. See this. It is going to come automatically outside and it is going to play with this animations. And now guys, I know in Zoom, you might be like, Hardik, it's not coming smoothly because of the internet connection, but in my screen, it's coming perfectly fine. I will share this practice file with you so you can try it on your own. Now, what you can do is now I think these borders are like not looking good. So I will just remove the borders because I don't want any of those borders. Now see this. It's perfectly growing. Now let me help you to understand animations in more detail. We still have 20 minutes on our hand, guys. I will make sure I do some fun stuff. Now see this. What you can do is, let's say if you want, if only if you only want that this animation should be playing after some point. The moment you do slideshow, it should not be playing. So there is one more functionality in animations, which is called as delayed animations. Now see this. Now let's say this animation duration is for 2 minutes. You don't want it for 2 minutes. You want it for more minutes. Let's say you want it for 5 minutes. But one more criteria you want is you want it to start after 1 minute. So you can delay it by 1 minute. Now I will help you to understand the difference. See this. This is scenario number one. It's playing after 1 second. It's starting to grow in a very gradual manner because we have given the duration of 5 seconds. The moment I remove the duration, guys, see this. If I go to exit mode and if I delay, if I make the delay of just 0, 0, no delay. Now see this. The moment I do slideshow view, it will start growing automatically, which I don't want. I wanted there should be some sort of delay. So my audience can watch, my audience can observe, my audience can grasp it, right? So for that, what I will do is I will simply apply a delay of, let's say, I will apply a delay of, let's say, 3 seconds. I want a delay of 3 seconds and I want duration of 6 seconds. The total duration of my video is almost 9 seconds. So 3 seconds ka delay and 6 seconds ka duration. Now see this. Now see the field. Now see the original scenario. Just visualize. I'm presenting this to you guys. You are my board of directors. See this. Now I want you to introduce it. I want you to see my company name. And once you see the company name, after 4 seconds, it will start to grow. And you will have, oh my God, the moment I start looking at this text, it's growing. It's coming towards me. And the moment the slide is done, you just have to click one click on your keyboard or your mouse or your Conference TV ka remote, whatever you're using, and you will go to next slide. And next slide will again come like this. And you can add text on it and you can play with it. Have you got it? A yes or no? How to play with advanced animations. I've covered advanced animations for the very first time. I hope I hope you have understood. Is that a yes? Got it? Great. Guys, did I create that wow effect? Are you guys impressed by this? Yes. And do you think your office staff will also get, your bosses, colleagues will get impressed by you? Highly impressed. Yes, yes. It's simply wow. Totally impressed. Perfect. Chalo. Absolutely got it. Impressive. Chalo. Perfect. Never visualize this. Chalo. That's great. Perfect. Sushma is saying, please use highlight. Chalo. Sushma will do it. Can I have the recorded video? Krishna Kant, yes. It's like by default. It's a feature of Masterclass. You will get it the recordings. Now, guys, Shushma, yes, will do it. I'm closing the chat box, guys. Okay, Shushma is telling me to turn on the highlighter. Just a sec. Where is my highlighter? Yeah, just a sec. It's in this. I'm just searching for the highlighter. Give me a second. Mm, I think it's here. Now, guys, what I was thinking. So we have did this for this. Okay. What I was thinking, we still have 15 minutes in our hand, 15 minutes to complete the lecture. Okay. So the last thing which I was planning for you guys is now I will complete the whole thing in last 5 minutes. It will take me to do the whole 5 minutes. Now we have done it for one letter. I will ask you for one suggestion. You tell me in the Zoom chat. I will write that letter and I will complete the entire thing in 5 minutes. So it will be a master recap for you guys as well. Does it make sense? Can we do it? Is that a yes? Yes? Cool. Yes. Chalo. Suggest me one word in the chat box. Suggest me one word, any letter, 5 letters, 7 letters, does not matter. Victory, masterclass, Run, gigantic, skill nation, chalo, awesome. World Cup, Hardik. Beach, what else? Cool. Beach, one team. How to use logo? It's covered in the course. Bharat, cool, chalo, theek hai. Glantic, Galantic, Baywatch, beach. I think beach is a good thing. I will go with the beach. I will close the chat box. Galantic, I don't know why you are saying that. Elections, elections se dur raho. Chalo, I will come back to the thing. Let us go with the beach. So what I will do is I will go to insert. Now, guys, I will go quickly. I'm not going to spend time on things because it's a master recap. So I will go to text box. Sorry, we forgot the first step. Text box is not the first step. We had one video on this. I will create a duplicate of this video. Control D to create one more video on top of this. Now we have two videos on top of this. Then the next golden rule was select the video, go to video format and flip it horizontally. Now we have two videos of different versions, right? Now this is video one, video two. Hardik, how do you know? You have to go to selection pane and you have to rename it. Now I will just rename this to video two. Now, what else we can do? We can add a text box. How we can do it? We can go to insert, go to text box, and I thought the perfect name is beach. Or let me start with the, I think company name would be a good thing because many people would do it for their company. So which company? Chalo, tell me your company name. I will take some company name. Let's make it interesting. Give me some company name. BMW, Dreamforce, Adani, Google. Chalo, I will go with Google. Google is one of my favorites. And no offense to anyone, but Google. I will go with Google. Chalo. Google. I am coming to text box. Google. Chalo. We'll select all of them. I will make sure it's in uppercase. Guys, uppercase is the best way to go, by the way. And guys, one more thing. Montserrat Black is a font which might not be available in many of your cases. So there are two things which you can do. You can simply Google how to add a font, or you can use any of the font. You can use Arial font also. It's a like similar to this. So what I will do is again, I will increase the size of this Google like this. I think I can increase the size a little bit. Take it. This is looking good. Placing in the middle. Okay, Google, it's done. Now, what's the third step? Third step is the hack which we have to do. Select the video, select this, and go to merge shape, intersect, and it's done. Now see this. And now again, obviously it's not that visible. So what we'll do, we'll to go to video format. We will go to video effects. We'll play some effects. See this. This is how you can play, guys. You can add video borders if you want. You can play with some different shapes. You can add some this kind of a glow effect, blur effect. You can add some bevel effect. You can put any sort of things, guys. It will look just the way I did. Chalo, let me help you to go with this effect. So see, this is how it should be working. Now see this. This is working. Now this video is not working. I told you the logic because there is no animations on it. So I'm going to select this. I will go to animations. I will apply play animations. Now we remember the golden logic of two things. This is one, this is zero. No one click because we don't have time to clicks while presenting or while until unless there is a point which you need to show intentionally, right? Select this on click with previous. So now both of them are going to play simultaneously. How are they? Let's check it out. Go to slideshow, see this my hand. Both of them are playing simultaneously. And the person whose name who's working at Google, let me see the name who suggested me Google. Uh, Grishma Vora suggested me Google. So this is how you can present it in your company and everyone would have that mind blowing effect and everyone would be impressed. And as I told you guys, you can play with many more animations on top of this. If you want to add, again, recap of that, you can go to add animations and let's say I will go with something which is kind of a plus animation is see, let's see how it goes. This is how, no, it won't look that great. So I will add some different animations. Let me go with grow and shrink. This grow and shrink is also good option if you want to play with it. Again, I will select that thing. Video. Sorry, animation pane. I will go to animation pane. I will go to select this. It's one. I don't want it to be one. I want it to be previous. Play with duration and delay. I can go with a delay of let's say 3 minutes, 3 seconds, basically not 3 minutes. And I wanted to go upward of 5 minutes, 5 seconds and see this. So 1, 2. and 3. After 3 seconds, it will begin to glow automatically. You can focus on things. Now can play with different things. Now see this. This was a bigger letter, so I need to keep the duration shorter. So Google should not go outside the box, which is going in our case. So I think you have got the logic. Just have to play with these things and your job is done. This is how you can create the impressive. And by the way, Adik, what's the use case of this? This specifically you should be doing if you have some title slides, if you have some agenda slides, you have welcome slides. Basically, it can be used in the very first slide of the presentation to create that wow impact. You can write the event name. So there are some submits going on. There are some marketing events going on. There's some sort of events goes in the company. You need to educate the employees about the events. You can use this kind of things in that presentations also. It will hook everyone's attention and you will have that authority that when you are speaking in that presentation, everyone would listen to you. So guys, here we complete the entire project. Presentation file recordings will be sent in the WhatsApp group that you're a part of. Do not worry about the same. Oh, have you got it? All the people, Deloitte, Wipro, Google, everyone, sorry for that. Cape Gemini, I respect everyone's team. I just took Google because it was top of the mind. Okay? Got it? How was the assignment today? Let me know. Can we add 2 different videos? Definitely you can. Super cool. Thanks. Great. Enjoyed today's session. Is that a yes? Learn something new, which will help you in your jobs. Check. Perfect. Yes, super cool. Wow, yes, enjoy a lot. Always love PPT sessions. Chalo, yes, perfect, super, great, perfect. I think, do you have some sort of dashboard wala thing? Yes, you can add your voice, you can add dashboards. Akhilesh, yes, you can add your voice, but need the recording will do it. Recordings will be sent. Okay? Now, guys, just a sec. Okay. I'm getting many requests on one more PowerPoint session. We'll do one more PowerPoint ka session in next Wednesday. You will get an update. Basically, I was preparing the content. Let me see if I can show you right now, so you will get an idea. I was trying to play with this thing. I think so. No, this is not the one. Video animations. I think this was the one. No, this is also the same one. Animated travel, 3D model, 3D template, business dashboard, business idea, dashboard slide 5. Let me see if I can show you right now. Basically, I was trying to create some sort of cool animations in PowerPoint, which I can share it with you. I'm playing with the content. One more PowerPoint session is done for next Wednesday. Do not worry. More learnings are on your way. And apart from anything about certificate and Vakas, as I told you, 45 days after you will be having a session on how to become a certified trainer like me. In case you want to, in case you wish to clear that examination. So don't worry about that. Is that clear? Are we going to meet next Wednesday? Is that a yes for one more PowerPoint Power Pack PowerPoint session? Is that a yes? Are you guys going to join? Chalo, yes. One more thing, yes, chalo. And guys, please can you tell me one more yes in the Zoom chat that you're not going to miss on updates in WhatsApp group? That financial event, we are paying something to those trainers, so I request you to join in. Okay, it's free of cost. Is that a yes? Okay. Yes, definitely, guys. All of you will come after those 3 days and you will tell me, Hardik, I've learned a lot. Okay? Yes. Chalo. Link, please. Link will be sent in the invitation call. Stay tuned in the WhatsApp group. Okay? Don't worry, it will be there. Okay? You just a sec. I'm closing the chat box. Ek minute. Both queries. Now, guys, quick update. If you don't have any queries, Tata bye bye. We'll meet next Wednesday. I will send the recordings. I will send this video. And apart from, I think many people are asking about invitation call kab hai. It will be told to you. What's the duration? Dates are already told. Third weekend of June. So please make sure your third weekend of June is empty. Uh, I will prepare whatever I learn in session from now on and tag you on LinkedIn. Definitely, Kamini, you can do that. Pratiksha, yes, all the people asking about Mera EMI and all of that, that's not, this is the live session. For that, you can contact Rutuja and I will send the number for her. You're making us save money by paying, you're making us save money by paying. Acha, theek hai. Thank you, Saurabh, for that. Yes. PowerPoint videos are still not updated. Rahul, it's already updated. One module is complete. We have already rolled out the message in the groups. Gradually, you are going to get all the videos in the portal. Which 3 days you are referring to? Surendra Kumar, we am referring to third weekend of June. I think 19, 20, 21, yeah, 20, 21, 22. Those are the dates. If I check my calendar right now, wait. 21, 22 and 23, Surendra. ठीक है, this event का dates will be given to you. Awesome, will not miss it. Perfect. Session duration, week post working hours रहेगा 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. 6 hours. We need require 6 hours to explain you everything about personal finance and like the basic things about the fundamentals of personal finance. ठीक है, yes, 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 perfect. Now opening the chat. If you have anything, let me know in the chat box. After that, I will close the chat again once I receive almost like 20, 30 queries. And if you're leaving, tada, bye bye. Chat box is open. Can't the video played in loop if it stops after some time? Divyan Jyoti, yes, I will show you how to do it. Okay. Ankit Bhatnagar, Rutuja does not respond. Ankit, I think you might be using the old number. I will share the new number. Wait. ठीक है, I've got something. Closing the chat, taking that first. So पहले तो query किसका था? Divan Jyoti, can't the video play in loop? Video can be played in loop. See this. If you select the video, Divan Jyoti, you got to get video format. You get to go playbacks. Here you have to see this: start automatic, loop until stopped, rewind after playing, play full screen, hide while playing. These are the features which you can use Divan Jyoti to make it play in loop. फिर क्या था? थैंक्स, गुड नाइट, निधि, गुड नाइट. अंकित भटनागर आई ऑलरेडी एड्रेस. थैंक्स अ लॉट, थैंक यू. लॉरेटा, थैंक्स अ लॉट. सौरभ मेहता, चलो. पावर पॉइंट वीडियोस इन द मास्टर क्लास मॉड्यूल. सौरभ मेहता, नहीं सौरभ मेहता नहीं, कौन पूछ रहा है? सरस्वती, आई जस्ट नाउ टोल्ड यू अबाउट दैट. कांट फाइंड सिलेक्शन पेन. Ragya, see this. What you can do is go to file, go to options, go to quick access toolbar. यहाँ पे select all commands, and here चलो, I will just show you where is selection pane. IKMNOP P, after that R, फिर S. हाँ, here is the S. See this. I'm going to select S. Select hai, then there is something called a selection pane. See this. This is the selection pane you need to search. Ragya V Singh. Chalo, which course I can start first? Heyman, that's done in the orientation call. Can we add music to this PPT? Manisha, yes, that's a very good idea, Manisha. See this. Manisha Deshmukh. What you can do is, Manisha, see this. I don't have any audio here, but let me show you. See this. You can go to Home tab, Manisha. Sorry, you can go to Insert tab, Manisha. You can go to Audio and Audio in my PC. You can add any audio. See this. I don't have any audios. Let me see if I can have any audios. Actually, this is your masterclass ka recording, but basically you have to select the audio, insert it, and there will be some audios options. There you're just Manisha Deshmukh. You have to select play audio whenever I do slideshow. So background mein audio bhi chalega. That's a good thing you can do. How did you get the highlighter around the cursor? And Ashna, that's a third party tool, yaar. I cannot recommend it. Since it's a third party tool. If you do the Google, you will find around. Namita, I'm not finding picture and video format. Namita, just now I showed you how to do it. Some of the options are not seen in my version. Ratan, that cannot be the case. Are you using the same version which I have provided to you? Can you take one session on flowchart? Amit, that's already covered in the course. Sir, please provide prompt engineering ka lecture. Ananta, it's already in the course. Okay? It is saying bye bye. Let me know any further queries. I'm here only. Okay? Please let me know how to make map for 10 locations and distance. Uh, I need I need NBFC corporate PPT template. ठीक है, you want PPT template? चलो ठीक है, I will share it with you. And I'm seeing your queries. Drop in. I will close the chat in 1 minute. ठीक है, put. ठीक है. Closing the chat again. चलो let's take questions one by one. Uh, Chandra Karki saying, I please let me know how to make one map for 10 locations with distance. There is something called as map option in this. Wait, if I can show you right now. You can go to insert chart. There is something called as maps. Where are maps? Here is the map. You can select the map. You can click on OK. The moment map is there, just a sec. It's inserting the map. See this. It's a map. It's done. Once you select the map, simply change the location. If I can move this upward, see this. The person who has asked me, his name is Chandra. Chandra, see this. You just have to select the locations whichever you want. Just put up your names manually. Click on OK. Once it's done, simply close this Excel and you will find this map ka logo. See this. If I can show you on a new screen, see this. If you just select India, it will be highlighting India. So you need to go to insert map and select world map. Uh, Can we get the recordings of that finance session? I'm working the night shift, so I might miss the Friday wala session. Snail, sorry to say, but we cannot. Those people, those content is just for Skill Nation community. We cannot pass the recordings or it can be circulated around. So I hope you understand that. Any update on Superchat tool? Akhil, yes, today only I've created, I've complied the Excel ka version. See this, I've got the some, my Superchat Excel thoda bahut chal raha hai, but see this, if I select any template now, thoda error aa raha hai. See this, if I select this break even analysis, it's giving some error. So this is the last error which we need to fix to compliance with like to comply with Microsoft ka policy. Once that done, we'll roll out the new features of Supercharge Excel. Akil, okay? File tab is only in Windows. Bhupendra, no, file tab is like default of PowerPoint. It's available in Mac also. How to use logo, Ganesh, yeah, it's covered in the course. Basically via Slide Master. Any limit on how many videos? Amish Sharma, no. I've personally tried it for like 3 to 4 videos. I don't think so. More than that, you will require in a PPT. Will the font shrink as well? Monica, yes. If you reduce the duration, the font will shrink slowly. Can you please take a class on SQL? Shashikan will plan in the future. Right now, upcoming, all the schedules are packed for Excel, PowerPoint, AI, Power BI, Tableau is also planned. All the things are coming on your way. Just wait for it. Okay. Which version is everyone using? Namita Banerjee 365. Obviously, which I'm assuming because I have provided it. Please resolve my problem. Chandra, I've just told you the solution. Like this media pane in animation does not show. Ratan, just go to your PowerPoint. See this PowerPoint animation. You will find an animation pane. In home tab, in select, you will find selection pane. Very simple. Okay. Bhupendra, same answer to you. How to add chart along with Excel file. Gulshan, that's covered in the course here. I'm not able to upload PDF in ChatGPT Plus. For that, guys, use ChatGPT ka original version, Ganesh. That's a come with an update. I'm planning to conduct one more session, Ganesh, on that. Basically, ye dekho. If I just show you the glimpse of it, ChatGPT has come up with all the recent updates. For that, we are complying with that as well. See this. Here now you can upload your documents. It has come with ChatGPT great for everyday task, something like this, which is everyone's tea, and you can explore more GPTs along with that. Like you have different GPTs, you can write also, you can have add-ons on productivity. I'm myself learning this because AI is changing every day. Once I am done with that, like Excel, GPT, everything, we'll conduct a live session on that. So don't worry, Ganesh, about that. Namita Banerjee, it does not it cannot be happening that if you're using 365, you does not see the option. Sanjana Gopal, have you tried the option wala thing where you have to go to file, options, in options, quick access toolbar, यहाँ पे search करो 1000% you will get it until unless you are using a very old version 13, 16, a decade old. ठीक है? Namita Banerjee, please check your version as well. ठीक है? Let me know if you have any queries. I'm here to help. Chat box is again open. ठीक है? हाँ, Pratiksha is asking. I will ठीक है. I need NBFC corporate PPT template. Chandra, ठीक है, we'll share that with you. Wait. Can I join the next session after 45 days? Sridhar, yes, absolutely, bro. You have lifetime access to it. ठीक है, चलो. Is it worth buying Copilot for 365 or Gamma will make better presentations? Paresh Joshi, wait for it. I will answer. Chalo, I've got almost 30 queries. Closing the chat box, taking one by one. Please listen to a name. I'm going to answer your queries one by one. First query is whom? First query is by Pratiksha. I already have a government stack with tables with text. When I tried design and get the themes or formatting getting done automatically, I could not do. It said no suggestion. Does it only work for plain text? Pratiksha, no, it works with the slide master. So you already have a deck, right? If you will go to your view tab, if you will go to slide master now, you will have some predefined template or deck or जिसने भी वो presentation design किया from scratch, you would be adding some its own predefined template. So once you do that now, once you play, does not keep it as it is like the default one, the default presentation template, the designer won't work. So in that case, what you can do, the worst case scenario, what you can do is you can, like, if you, let's say you want to design this presentation, you can pick up that presentation, say this is my own design. You can pick up that presentation, put up in a new slide deck. You can go to home tab, and in case if it's compliant, it will comply. See this, if I apply design, if it's, see this, it can work, it might not work. So that's the case, but you have to apply it on a new presentation. You can put a one deck there and you can try to redesign it. Let's say I will go roam around. Let's say this is something which I want. I will click on this. It's redesigned. I will copy this and put up in my original presentation. That's the way to go. Chalo, I've lost earlier session ka recording due to phone reset. Can I find them on the portal? Madhu, yes. In the learn.skillnation.ai portal, you will find Q&A session ka recording. Ankit Bhatnagar, please help me with Rutuja ka number. I will share it with everyone in the group, the new number, Ankit Bhatnagar. Okay? In case if you face any issues, you can always anytime 24/7 reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'm always available there, Ankit. I need corporate PPT ka template. Chandra, I have some templates. Wait, let me, it's in my sticky notes. I will share it with everyone. If you guys want it, you can use it. No worries. Here is the link for the same Chandra. I'm sharing it in the Zoom chat in 2 minutes. Wait, huh? Sir, please guide how to make mouse as like you on presentation. Yeah, Rampal, right now, I will tell you how to use those highlighters in like 1 or 2 sessions after that. Okay? Can you do a session on how to create graphics like one used in a parallel income slide for show details and Jatan's pic. Chaitanya, actually those are called as mockups. Those are book mockups. You can find on Canva. You can simply write for, let's say, book mockup. If you will search something like this, you will get many book mockups. See this. These are called as mockups, and you need to play with Photoshop for that. See this. This is the kind of mockups you can get. You can put your face or you can do any kind of things. These are called as mockups. ठीक है blank BG blank video and text, please. iPhone 12 mini, please, by the way, come with your original name so I can address you. Very simple. See this. If you want background BG, simply remove this. This is the white background and see this. If I do slideshow view, this is it. So it's not a big deal. Okay? I recheck the file tab. It's not present on PPT for Mac. Bhupendra, it's not can be the case. I would request you to send screenshots via Rutuja to me. I will check personally. Don't worry. Please share the financial Lika training today recording in big WhatsApp group B60. Priyanka, yes, we'll do that. No worries. Is it worth buying Copilot for 365 or Gamma will make better presentations? Paresh Joshi, right now, I would not recommend you to buy that because of the simplest reason. They are still those large language models and in learning stage. It is collecting data and it's getting trained. Please ask me this question. Let's say after 1 month or 2 months, I'm also planning to buy it. Once I buy it, I will try it out and I will let you know. Okay. Is there any way we can wear audio image for image? Vidhi, just remove it after it. देखो ये ऐसा करना है. Let's say I will go to this presentation. I will go to insert. I will go, let's say, inserting this PPT. Let's say I've inserted this audio. Simply remove it outside the PPT. It won't be visible. See this. I'm placing it here. Simply place it outside the PPT. See this like this. Just place it outside the PPT. And if you present it, the audio will, I am not playing the audio, obviously. Audio will come and the emoji won't come. Vidisha. Can we master PPT? Obviously. Yellow color, okay. Where we get the videos like this? Where we get videos like this in the WhatsApp group, Ajay. And if you're talking about the website, pixel.com, uska bhi link mil jayega, don't worry. Can you add video to a logo image instead of a text? Akil, yes. Again, it's covered in the course. Very simple. Let me know if you have any queries, then we can wrap up the session in next 10 minutes. Oh, someone has sent me a very long Surendra Kumar. Okay, I will read it out. Don't worry. Please tell any AI tool which read textbooks, PDF, and make question answer. Humanta. Amay. Humanta is a thing. Chat with PDF is an AI tool. Chat with PDF. See this. Chat with PDF एक हो गया. फिर एक हुमांता करके है. हुमांता. See this. Humanta. Humanta AI. This too will help you definitely. Closing the chat again. Taking questions one by one. Uh, mm, ठीक है. Surendra Kumar, just do one thing. I got your query. I know what's confusion you're facing. You have two different IDs, all of that. What you can do is, wherever you got this link now, to join this webinar, in that same group, I will give you one WhatsApp number, which you can call also. Rutuja is my personal assistant. Simply tell this query to her and tell that I had a word with Hardik during the live session. He told me to provide the newest batch, which is going to start as soon as possible. In that, you will also get one orientation call and you will get different sets of live sessions. Okay, Surendra Kumar, that's the thing you have to do it. That's it. Karan Sauji, I have already originally taken this masterclass in Janman and due to exams, I had joined the session today. So can you please guide me further how to proceed further. Karanji Sauji, again same answer to you. Write to Rutuja. She will send you a orientation call link where I will explain the flow or what's the way forward, everything. Okay. Joseph, hi Hardik. Is there any someone at your end who can help me? Yes, Rutuja will help you, Joseph. Those people are just for you guys. Don't worry. You can ask me for support 24/7, 365. Can AI help me in creating projections for 3 month data and create PPT? Projections can be done. PPT आपको बनाना पड़ेगा. Ami Sharma. For that, you can use a software called a Julius AI. It will do regression analysis and it will create a forecast for the next 3 months. And by the way, if you want projections, Excel में एक feature है which is called as forecast. कहाँ गया हो? I've used it personally. I think it's in the home tab or data tab. I forgot the feature. हाँ, forecast. It's basically proper probability, standard deviation, all of that. The moment you play a forecast, it gives you different forecast. It creates charts also. The only difference is Ami Sharma. वो chart बन जाएगा एक बार. Once you the chart is ready, put up in presentation and you're good to go. ठीक है. Let me know if you have any queries. I'm happy to help. Opening the chat box again. ठीक है. Uh, can you take a session where you summarize as shown by you in your Facebook advert? Can you take a session where you can summarize? Summarization. एक मिनट. ठीक है. एक मिनट. I'm just closing the chat box. क्या था पहला? Can you take a session where summarizations as shown by you in your Facebook adverts? I didn't get you, Menak Kosal professor. Summarization तो मैंने workshop में ही सिखा दिया था. I don't know what you're talking about. If you're talking about this feature, it's also covered in the course. It's called as insert zoom summary. This is the summary wala feature. Can you please make one live session on how to prepare interactive dashboards using AI? Sailesh is already there in your portal. Not AI basically, but how to create interactive Excel dashboards. Very simple. एक घंटे में सीख जाओगे. Sailesh. If you want me to help, यहाँ पे if I can help you, I've done that very long back. Not .in, it's AI. See this, I'm going to log in into my portal. I will just show it to you, Sailesh. Uh, where is live sessions ka recording? Live sessions. You have to go and search to see this. ये रहा 28 February गए साल मैंने सिखाया था शैलेश इंटरैक्टिव मैनेजमेंट डैशबोर्ड्स इन एक्सेल वेरी सिंपल जस्ट 1 hour का वीडियो जस्ट गो थ्रू इट which email ID should I use generating API keys any email IDs whichever you want ठीक है Sophia is possible what possible Sanjana you have to select 2 objects to make sure your merge save option is enabled thank you please share the name of the game which name of the game Julius AI Julius AI. This is how it looks. Analyze your data with computational AI power. It's literally called AI data analyst. Uh, I can't see dedicate. I can't see dictate in my personal laptop in PowerPoint. Amir, yeah, that software problems I cannot help you with. Best thing is you can reach out to Rutuja. She can check the any technical difficulties. I'm not able to merge things. Kindly explain again. We will get the recording. When ChatGPT we learn, it's our already covered in course. I've covered everything, every aspect of ChatGPT. On top right in Excel, what if analysis क्या है? Like, how do I explain you what if analysis? Like, like it's a game of probability, standard deviation. If you have listen, like हम लोग ने school में पढ़ा था मालूम है, there's different types of 95% confidence in level, 99% confidence level. वो सब technical, थोड़ा statistical and it helps you in financial modeling and all of that. Get an runtime error in Excel SQL server does not exist. प्रति वो इसके लिए आ रहा है because वो हम लोग का सर्वर वो था ना उसमें थोड़े compliance issue थे. Microsoft has come up with new updates. So we are like in touch with Microsoft team to compliance क्या बोल सकते हैं to fulfill those compliances. Once it's done, it's just a matter of 7 days that will be resolved. ठीक है? If you have any queries, let me know. To become a data analyst, can you simply share us roadmaps? Snail, it's very simple. Master Excel, then jump to Power BI because it's a Power BI software and get 2 to 3 high income skills like Tableau, SQL, all of that is very important. Once you have this 3 to 4 skills, you're sorted with a data analysis job. Uh, Dr. DP saying, Khan got merge shape on toolbar. go through the recordings. Once you don't get it, next session I will do it one more time. No worries. Okay. But guys, the purpose of this call is I'm recording it so you can watch it to your convenience. I have to submit a weekly report on PPT with slightly variation. Can I automate it? Like, yeah, yes, but it's a very technical process. You need to generate macros to chat GPT, and you have to run it every time. If you think it's not that kind of like taking more hours of your job, then I would request you to do it manually. Or else if you're keen to it, then you have to go through that chat GPT course where we create macros. Accordingly, you have to create a macro. Administrator Rutuja ka number, please. We'll send it in the WhatsApp group only. So we all are on same page. The 3 day session in June, it's clashing with my campus immigration sessions. Is it gonna repeat it after any time later? Yaar, Madhu, I cannot commit that. Yaar. I've done very. We'll have to check, but I cannot commit. It's not going to happen soon, for sure. Okay. Shivani, again, same answer to you. I will share it the same where you got the link now in that group only. I will share Yutuja ka number with a screenshot. So we all are on same page. Okay. Right now I will share it with you. Three people will again get some different number. So let's be on same page. I will share it after the session in the WhatsApp group. Cool. Make sense? Chalo, I've started using Supercharge Excel yet. Please help me to install it in my personal laptop, or is it available? Rutuja, Vidisha, we are coming with an update. Wait for 7 days. After that, you will get an update in the WhatsApp group. Thanks, Atan Hardik. You have a very you have a good week ahead. Yes, thank you. To clarification, I'm not getting Supercharge Excel in my 365. Please provide the AI for image improvement. Please provide the AI for image improvement. You can use Leonardo AI, Menak Gosal, and Supercharge Excel में error है, but that's what I'm telling again and again. After 1 week, that will be resolved. Could you please do a session brief explanation how to create mockups? No, yeah, that's not my expertise, Chaitanya. We have a graphic designer for that because I don't know Photoshop, or else I would have done it. How to master PPT for company? Yeah, what like that's a very broad question. You need to complete the course first. Shlok Mistry, yes, I know module 8 के बाद videos corrupt है. We are gradually rolling out one module, like one weekly, bi-weekly. Like that's a matter of 2 to 3 weeks. You are supposed to share link. अरे sorry. For corporate PPTs, I have a link which I will be sharing with everyone. इसमें corporate PPT है पूरे start to end. Decks है. अगर आप लोग को चाहिए तो आप use कर सकते हो. See this. ठीक है? Here is the link for the same. You have to like manually type it, or else wait. I will just open that in front of you. So you will get an idea of that. So this is the drive link. In this, if I just have to share this drive with everyone, see this. Viewer access, copy, okay, and see this. Here it is. यहाँ पे you will get full-fledged complete ready-made PPTs. That is what I shared. Prashant, वो supercharge का Excel का error है, SQL database का error है. Also, can you teach how to summarize the PPT? It's covered in the course question. Sorry, Hardik, if I missed the answer. How we can get the missing modules as you uploaded? Sachin Chaudhary, 2 to 3 weeks. Gradually, videos are uploaded. You will get an updates on the WhatsApp group. Extract data from image using Supercharge Excel. You teach in first session. Can I get once more? Jai Kumar, it's not from Supercharge Excel. You need to go to data tab. You get from data from PDF. It's a Power Query thing. And if you want from image, here is the picture wala option. Jai Kumar. Okay. Whew. Okay, guys, can we call it for the day? And are you going to meet next Wednesday? Is that a yes? And I think I'm helping you guys with your job, with your queries. What's one feedback for me? Okay, hell yeah, yes, chalo, perfect. That's great. Perfect. Yes, great. Oh, Ramana Prakash, how are you? Yes, yes, chalo. Perfect. Yes, yes. A superhuman meme. चलो ठीक है perfect. We'll share all the link in the WhatsApp group. Number भी share हो जाएगा. Don't worry. ठीक है. How was your Delhi trip? It was great, yaar. I was in Manali, Kasol. Chill time, 1 week. Thank you. Chalo. God bless my boy. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Master जी मत बोलो यार. It sounds like I'm 50, 60. Which AI tool is better you would prefer for analyzing PDF? Humanta AI, ChatGPT can do it. Cloud AI is the best one. There are many. Chat with PDF. Dhruva Rutuja ma'am का number मिल जाएगा. How was your demon in Delhi? Like I was just fly from Mumbai to Delhi and Delhi से I was going to Manali. मतलब दिल्ली में कुछ रुका नहीं था मैं. Thanks a lot, sir. You're welcome. चलो take care. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. Good night. Have a great weekend. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. Perfect. Great PPT session. I've tried now only and very happy. Chalo, S30 iPhone, whatever your name is, I'm glad you're happy. Are happy. Chalo, ठीक है. PM by PM बहुत busy थे, मिले ही नहीं. I met some people I cannot take name of, but I unfortunately I did not meet. ठीक है. Your PPT modules are great. Dr. DP, thank you so much. Shibu Chakravarti, nahi yaar, hard luck. Now let's see. There are some people who are going to visit in June. Let's see if I can meet them. Perfect. Bye bye guys. Chalo, bye 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 bye. Tada, bye 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 bye. I'm glad that I was able to help. Uh, किसी का तो query है, just a sec. Jayashree Singh, can you share recording? Jayashree, this recording will take around 2 to 3 hours to process via Zoom and YouTube. After that, we'll share it in the WhatsApp group that you're a part of. ठीक है? Thank you. Bye Vidya. Bye 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 bye. ठीक है? Thanks. You're welcome, Jayashree. Bye 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 bye. So let me turn off the recording for now. Recording कहाँ से stop होता है? Okay, Prerna. चलो, bye bye. Can we access our course anytime? Yes, you can anytime. You have lifetime access.